Ciao guys, Thomas here at TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Down at the G-pit. Guess what car this is? Yep, the Traxxas HOSS. With some power upgrades. Running this one on 6S actually, and I've been doing since not day one, but say after 6-7 packs, and that's sorry. Stock motor, and well, I do a build breakdown. I'm not sure if I'm having a little bit too heavy lipo, but it's a pure animal. Oh. Okay, so we broke it. No, but we bended a CVD. I'm not sure how long this is gonna last. I hit one of those boulders there, or rocks. Oh, we are done. Yeah, we definitely are. I think it's an old arm, yeah, also, so I ripped. Well, that's it guys. Sometimes you have some bad luck. But I will definitely, I'm gonna change arms both in the front because they are so worn out. Hope you can see anything here. Good. So this is Traxxas HOSS TEKNO shafts, GTR with tin coated shafts, X01 extended hex, or the hexes from that car, Louis RC World's B-paddle tires, Thunder Sands stock motor, 6S, Hobbywing Quickrun, the old one, 150, so Savux 1258, and also the center shaft cover modification. So yeah, so check this out. I mean, it's so worn, but such a fun truck for as long as it lasted. Well, that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.